Have you ever wanted to create children's books? Over the years, as a preschool teacher, I initiated a book project for my class. The first time I did it was in 2019, then in 2020, 2024, and finally in 2025 last year. Personally, I do have some experience in self-publishing, so I enjoyed teaching children about the publishing process, from the manuscript all the way to the printing. Are you interested in doing a book project with a class or your own family? Let's get started. To kick things off, here are some pages you need for your book: the cover page, end papers, copyright page, the pages themselves, and the back page. The process I'll begin to describe suits self-publishing, so if you ever want to go into publishing with a publishing house, they have different standards and processes, but the book structure should be the same. They say we judge books by their covers, and that is absolutely true. For our cover page, you need to have a title, author, and illustrator. Typically, we write it as written by and illustrated by. Certain books that won awards like the Category Medal, which is for picture books, will proudly display such awards on the cover page as well. Next, we have the end papers. The function of this is to glue the pages to the hardcover of hardcover books. This is a simple double page spread, which means the two pages work together to form a visual. You need this at the start and end of your book. Check out the nearest picture book you have, and you should be able to find the end papers. The copyright page is where you protect your rights to the book and include publisher details. It also makes your book look professional. Then, the cover page again. This can have the same image or a different one from your main cover page. The pages are your meat and potatoes in your book. They include illustrations and text. There are 4 ways you can have your text and illustrations working together. Firstly, the text elaborates more on the images, so the images are one-dimensional and simple, and the text is longer to explain the story. Secondly, the images elaborate more on the text. The text will be shorter while the illustration is elaborate. Thirdly, both the images and text tell the same story. This is more common in readers' books for young children. One such example is the Biscuit Book series by Elisa Settin Cappuccini. Fourthly, the text and images tell opposite stories. This is an interesting approach to storytelling that you can try. So the text and images contradict each other. You can have the text say things like, "It is an ordinary day," but the illustration shows something magical happening. As a teacher, my role is a facilitator, where the children are the ones creating the story, coming up with the words and drawing the pictures. Lastly, the back page. You can have an ISBN number and a barcode. Your publisher will have an ISBN number assigned for your book. If not, there are options to buy them online. These are the books that I work on together with the children in my classes. I am extremely proud of their work, and I hope they do too, because through these learning journeys, they have picked up many skills that cover all learning domains when it comes to early childhood development. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.